Dah nampak slide ke?
Nampak slide dah tak nampak dah. Cepat 2 minit delay ni.
Nampak.
Amir nampak tak Amir? Amir?
Tak nampak.
Tak nampak.
Aku nampak je man. Kau punya tak nampak ni.
Berat ni.
Tak naik ke?
Tak naik. Buka slide hak mana ada dulu lah ni. Boleh lah? Slide.
Saya tengok slide je. Cerai je lah.
Okay, please. Sebelah suku lah, 5 minit dah ni. Cepat.
Dah start je lah kan. Amir ada Amir? Okay.
Problem sikit.
Boleh tak Amir?
Boleh.
Boleh, okay.
Hi, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today I will present about the corrosion in concrete. So I will present about the introduction. The corrosion is a natural process that occurs when the steel repair within reinforced concrete structure rust. In scientific terms, concrete corrosion is defined as the destruction of metal by chemical, electrochemical, and electrolytic reaction within its environment. It typically forms as the concrete edge. Concrete can be defined as the artificial stone produced when cement, usually Portland cement, is mixed with fine aggregate like sand and a coarse aggregate gravel or crushed stone and water. The corrosion occurs when the protective layer in concrete steel reinforcement is destroyed. Steel in concrete is usually protected against corrosion by the high pH of the surrounding Portland cement paste. Cement paste has a minimum pH of 12.5 and steel will not corrode at that pH. If the pH is lowered, for example, to pH 10 or less, the corrosion may occur if moisture, oxygen, and chloride ion are present. Chloride ion destroy the protective layer on the steel reinforcement, making it prone to corrosion. The corrosion products rust occupies a greater volume than the steel and exert destructive stress on the surrounding concrete. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next is what is the use of the concrete? Okay, apakah kegunaan konkrit? Okay, concrete is used to make a pavement, architectural structure, foundation, motorway, roads and bridge, overpass, parking, fence and poles. Okay, ini kegunaan konkrit untuk buat benda-benda ni semualah. Yang ada dalam kehidupan kita, ada dekat sekeliling kita, bilik and so on. Apa semua. Dan benda ni kita boleh nampak atas jalan raya, dinding rumah kita pun daripada konkrit apa semua. So ni antara kegunaan konkrit lah yang dah tersenarai. Ada lagi banyak lagi sebenarnya kegunaan konkrit. Okay, next. Okay, what is the importance of concrete? Okay, concrete different properties make it an ideal and widely used building material. Concrete properties that make it so relevant in construction include strength, durability and versatility. Okay, for the first one is strength. Concrete has been used by building developers and construction firms for decades because of its strength. Concrete strength has rendered it indispensable in the design of infrastructure such as house, foundation, water treatment plant, manufacturing industry, macam yang saya sebutkan tadi lah kegunaan dia, sebab dia kuat dan benda ni banyak digunakan dalam industri, dalam pembuatan, dalam pembangunan dan so on lah, sebab kekuatan dia, kekuatan konkrit tu sendiri. Change in mixture such as increasing of or decreasing the proportion of water, mortar and crushed stone may alter the strength. Furthermore, the strength of concrete can be increased over time. So macam yang kita tahu, konkrit ni ada campuran bahan-bahan macam di simen untuk membuat dia jadi lebih kuat lah, untuk tambahkan lagi kekuatan konkrit tersebut. Okay, next. Okay, extreme durability. Extreme heat, rusting, chemical reaction, burning, corrosion, compressive and tensile stress, and abrasion are all immune to it. Concrete high durability make it long-lasting construction material. As a result, the concrete structural stability will not be compromised for a prolonged period, making it safe. Okay, untuk yang ni adalah ketahanan. Ketahanan konkrit yang dapat bertahan dalam keadaan cuaca buruk, bencana alam, tak kisahlah, tindak balas kimia, kebakaran, hakisan, tekanan. Sebab konkrit ni dia tahan lama dan dia ada daya ketahanan yang kuat lah, sebab tu digunakan dalam pembangunan, dalam membuat turapan jalan, membuat pagar and so on, sebab dia mempunyai daya ketahanan yang tinggi untuk bertahan dalam jangka masa yang lama. Sebab tu kebanyakan rumah buat daripada konkrit, bata, simen and so on. Okay. Third is versatility. Versatility adalah seberguna. Concrete can be used in a variety of building material because of its flexibility. Construction contractor can easily use to install bridge, highway, sideway, garage and other structure. Its tensile stress can be adjusted to meet the needs of the building. It can also be sliced into a variety shape and size to produce kind of design. Okay, serbaguna ni macam dia boleh diaplikasikan dalam pelbagai jenis binaan, macam nak buat bangunan tu, nak buat bangunan ni, nak buat benda tu, nak buat benda ni, dan dia boleh digunakan dalam pelbagai bentuk, dalam pelbagai cara, dan dia boleh create something yang baru daripada konkrit tersebut. Dia memudahkan syarikat pembinaan, contohnya menggunakan untuk membina jalan raya, lebuh raya, garaj, struktur lain dan sebagainya, sebab daya kekuatan dan daya kekuatan dan ketahanan dia tadi boleh membuatkan dia jadi boleh dibuat dalam pelbagai bentuk dan boleh buat something yang barulah. Okay, next.
Okay, saya akan sambung untuk slide seterusnya. Hi everyone, my name is Wan Ahmad Amirullah bin Wan Daud. My metric number J19B0067. Okay, I will present about material used in concrete. Concrete is one type of composite material. The raw material to make up the concrete consisting of binder, which is typically cement, coarse and fine aggregate, which are usually stone and sand, water and chemical admixture and mineral admixture. Okay, konkrit ni satu jenis composite material lah. Material yang untuk buat konkrit ni biasanya dia daripada batu-batu kerikil ni yang jenis coarse atau fine aggregate. Coarse and fine aggregate ni dia biasanya batu yang jenis kecil ataupun yang besar lah. Biasanya aggregate ni dia dipanggil stone atau sand lah, campuran stone atau sand. Kemudian dicampur dengan air, water dan juga bahan-bahan kimia yang lain ataupun dengan mineral juga. Okay, concrete, the concrete used in how about concrete used in construction? Okay, the concrete used in construction ni contain the reinforcement bar, wire mesh and reinforcement fibers. The strength of concrete is influenced by the quality of the material, the proportion and the method of the raw material is made. Okay, this konkrit ni digunakan untuk yang digunakan dalam pembinaan ni, dia mempunyai reinforcement bar yang besi-besi tu tulang yang jenis untuk tiang lah, untuk gambar yang tengah ni yang belah kiri ni, yang belah atas itu dipanggil reinforcement bar. Yang belah kanan sekali tu pula dia dipanggil wire mesh. Okay, that's all for me. Next, I will give to next presenter to continue. Kennedy?
There is two common causes of corrosion, that is reduction of pH and presence of iron chloride. Concrete has high pH, that is between 12 to 13. With this high pH, it will create an environment that promotes the formation and growth of the oxide film that can prevent from dissolution of metal ion. But if reduction pH happens, that will cause a passive film to become unstable. Metal will be attacked by corrosion agents like oxygen and air and water. The reason that reduction pH happens is because of reduction of carbon dioxide in carbonation process. Carbonation process happen because of CO2 in the atmosphere react with the hydroxide in the cement to form reduction carbonate. Presence of iron chloride.
Turn on camera, Junaidi.
Okay. Presence of iron chloride meresap ke dalam semen melalui crack sampai ke steel. Dan steel tu in presence of oxygen and moisture, ion start corrosion process. Presence of iron chloride. Function of iron chloride is to increase rate of corrosion. That is because iron chloride easy to react with oxide film other than other ion. If the corrosion happen, the strength of the concrete will drop and decrease. It, it will make pressure increase in the surrounding material. The crack will increase and potential for concrete to destroy also increase. That's all from me. We go to another presenter.
Next slide is best way to inspect corrosion. First, visual inspection. This is the simplest and most obvious method, which involves removing the covering, visually examining the surface for any sign of corrosion or damage, and then replacing the insulation. Second, radiography. This is another common method for inspecting for CUI. The X-ray technology is used in a variety of ways, namely real-time radiography, computed radiography, and digital detector array. Third, ultrasonic thickness measurement. It an effective, highly accurate, and versatile remote visual inspection technique, and is widely used across a diversity of industry. Lastly, pulsed eddy current. This method uses electromagnetic wave to determine the wall thickness of any material that conduct electricity. The probes don't record contact with the test surface and deliver a high degree of accuracy. But because the technology only provides an average wall thickness, it generally only used as a screening technique and not for detecting isolated areas of corrosion. Okay, that's all from me.
Next. Next, I will continue about the ways to avoid corrosion in concrete. Several ways of preventing or stopping the corrosion are shown. Huh?
Kau buka video, nak tengok kamu je.
Okay.
Takut kamu rekod siap-siap dah.
Nampak tak? Nampak tak?
Cepat je.
Rasa slow kalau buka cam.
Okay, carry on.
Okay, first of all, sealer. A sealer is a viscous material to remain on surface on which they are applied. Sealant can be a thin, enabling penetration to a certain substance through capillary action. Sealants are utilized widely in industry to seal openings that cannot be secured by other materials such as drywall and concrete. Several products available like epoxy coating, acrylic sealers, and linseed oil emulsion. Next, catalytic protection. Catalytic protection is often
used to mitigate corrosion damage to active metal surface. Cathodic protection can stop corrosion by reversing the electrochemical process that cause corrosion. Lastly, specialty concrete overlays. An overlay system involves polymer modified cement-based product that can be installed in thin application. Overlays are more durable than conventional concrete and offer superior strength. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, next I will talk about the conclusion. Dengar tak?
Dengar.
Dengar.
Okay. Corrosion is known as destruction of metal by chemical, electrochemical, and electrolytic reaction within its environment. It is happen when a metal is rusting. Corrosion in concrete is because of the protective layers in steel reinforced are broken. Concrete can be defined as the artificial stone produced when cement is Concrete can be defined as the artificial stone produced when a cement is mixed with sand, gravel, or crushed stone and water. Concrete are used to make many things such as pavement, architectural structures, road and bridges, and so on. Concrete are used commonly because of its strength, durability that can resist extreme weather and conditions. Its versatility makes concrete easy to use for any building materials. Reduction of the pH in steel reinforcing in concrete can cause it to corrode. Many ways to prevent corrosion in concrete, such as sealers, cathodic protection, and specialty concrete overlays. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay. Group 2. Question please. Second.
Based on your presentation, can you tell me what is the effect of corrosion in concrete?
Repeat.
Based on your presentation, what is the effect of corrosion in concrete?
Effect corrosion kat konkrit. Konkrit jadi metal tu jadi lemah. Strength dia akan drop dan pressure pada berat konkrit tu akan increase to the surrounding material. Dia mungkin akan jadi crack, mungkin akan hancur bila lebih tekanan kita beri macam beban dia. Macam tu.
Okay, next. Group 5.
Nak tanya, based on this case study, what is the type of corrosion?
Type of corrosion, heating corrosion, yang mana passive film tu cathode, metal tu anode. Apabila film tu dah hakis, oksigen dengan moisture boleh react dengan metal dan jadi dia akan jadi terhapis dari dalam. Macam tu lah. Macam kita belajar semalam.
Group 6, masuk group 6. Please.
Okay.
Jawapan pun.
Can your group explain to us what is oxide film and the function of it?
Oxide film.
Chilling. Do repeat, please.
Okay. Can group 7 explain to us what is oxide film and the function of it?
Jawab dah guys. Oxide film ni dia macam passive film juga. Dia ada dekat surface luar metal ataupun steel tu. Dia jadi macam maintain utama pertahanan untuk karat.
Lapisan utama ni.
Macam tu lah. Function dia macam function passive film. Ataupun benda-benda sama.
Lapisan utama tersimpan di permukaan lah. Maksudnya lapisan first logam tu lah sebelum konkrit tu. Bila kena bila dia bertindak balas dengan oksida, situlah dia jadi dia corrosion, berlakunya corrosion, dia lembab dan dia mengalami pengoksidaan dari udara. Situlah start dia first corrosion. Cuma function dia tetap.
Function dia nak halang daripada karat lah. Function dia.
Apa ni?
Function dia